Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? Hope you're having a great day today. I'm back, guys, with Newbies on Fire. I had to come back. Just saw an update from the owner of the company, okay, on the progress of this program, Newbies on Fire. I mean, it really speaks for itself, okay? And actually, the name that they have Newbies on Fire, it makes sense because really it's on fire. All right, so I'm back. I just want to talk more about the program and show you a little bit more on the inside of what you're going to get. If you look to the left there, you'll see right now people are joining as I'm speaking to you doing this video. Okay, so this program actually does work. People are signing up. I mean, it is sweeping the internet. Okay, it's growing very rapidly. The company has only been around 90 days, guys. 90 days, okay? And I'm just going to show you something real quick so you can see the stats of where the company is at this moment. And we'll go over the back office so you can see some other things that's in the back office and what you're going to get and with each level, okay? So let's go over to the back office. Okay, so if we go in the back office, let me show you some of the capture pages we've got. But before we continue, do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? Okay, so let's go over, let me show you the capture pages. Okay, so once you log in and you click on your tools, here's your capture pages. By the way, this course is in Spanish and in English, okay? So you're getting 2 for 1. Let me show you one of the capture pages. Okay, here's one, and this is a good page because if you look right here, as I'm speaking to you, it's actually showing people that's signing up, okay? So this definitely is getting signups. Okay, so there's a page. Here's a landing page. Okay, and then this video is going to come on. Okay, and then here's one. I like this one. Same video, but it just looks different. Okay. Here's a page. I like this one. This is a landing page. Okay. This is a popular funnel. This is the Facebook hack page. This is the one that's very popular that a lot of people is seeing out here probably. With this one, I like this one because when you opt in, and I'll put the link below, what it does is takes you into the Facebook group where you can see people are signing up. And you know this is the real deal. You'll see people making posts, welcoming people to the group. So you know you're joining something that's real, okay? So this is a great funnel, okay? A sales funnel. All right, and if you come down, the same pages are in Spanish, okay? So if you have a Spanish audience, you can promote to them with these pages, guys. So 2 for 1, okay? So let's look a little further. Okay, and your contacts are listed here. When you use your capture pages, all your leads will go into here. I don't want to click it because I don't want to reveal people's privacy information. It'll show their email address. But you can also go back here and broadcast to your list. I like that feature. Okay, and then you can be notified. You can set this up so you can be notified via text or email when you get new signups. And of course, right here is the merchant account information. This is where you're going to set up your specifications on how you want to get paid, whether it's going to be Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, in the mail, however you want to get paid. You just click there and you specify that. Okay, and then right here is all the commissions. And then right here is pretty cool. You have a rotator, guys. So if you have a team, you can set up a rotator if you're going to do traffic and put all your URLs for your team in there, and you can run traffic and do a rotator. So that's pretty cool. That's a great feature to have. All right. What I'm going to do is go over and show you the actual courses. Newbies on Fire is internet marketing, okay? Marketing courses. So I'm going to show you the courses. Hang on a second. Okay, so there's 4 courses here, okay? Your starter, basic, advanced, and your elite courses, okay? So when you click here, it tells you exactly what you're getting in each course. All right, let me move this over. Okay, the basic, the advanced, okay, and the elite. Now, what's so great about this is, for example, I have the elite, purchased the elite course. So all these lower levels are included. So that means doesn't matter what someone purchases, I'm going to get paid. I can get paid the $25, $100, $250, or $500 commissions, okay? And that's what you want. You want to position yourself to receive the most income. Now I want to go over and I want to show you something real quick just to validate this course as well. This program. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm going to let you hear from the owner what's happening here with the course.
Hi everyone, Christina here. How's it going? Happy Friday. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I wanted to tell you all happy anniversary. Today is our 3-month anniversary with Newbies on Fire. We launched on November 7th of 2019. Today is February 7th of 2020. So today is our 3-month anniversary. So I wanted to just jump on and congratulate each and every one of you on all your success. You guys are out there absolutely crushing it. You guys are rock stars. I see you all over Instagram. I see you on Twitter. I see you on Facebook. I see you on YouTube. You guys are absolutely crushing it. So happy anniversary. We're just getting started. We're only 3 months in. Let me give you some numbers today. Let me give you some updates. In our first 3 months, we have over 11,000 members now. We have paid out, the members have earned $172,000 in commissions in the very first 3 months. The Newbies on Fire members have generated $172,000 in commissions in our very first 3 months. We have basically went viral. We are all over YouTube. We are all over social media. It is not slowing down at all. People are joining right and left. We are just hopping and popping. The momentum is just going like crazy right now. And this is only the beginning. We're just getting started. We're just 3 months in. So you are in the right place at the right time. Happy anniversary. I thank each and every one of you. I am so grateful, so thankful, so blessed that you are a part of this journey with me. We are here to help one another succeed. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop any of your questions here in the group. I would be glad to answer any questions that you have. And I actually would prefer that you ask the question in the group rather than private message me. Because as I said, we have over 11,000 members now, so I can't get to all the private messages. So the first thing you need to do is go through your back office, go through your training, and then ask your sponsor. If your sponsor cannot answer your question, then go ahead and drop your question here in the group, and I would be glad to answer any questions that you have. But I would prefer you to come to the group with your questions rather than private message me. Because again, with 11,000 members now, I can't get to all those private messages. So if you have any questions or concerns, drop them here in the group and I would be glad to answer any questions that you have. And again, guys, happy anniversary. We're just 3 months in, over 11,000 members, and the commissions are at $172,000 that has been paid out to you guys. $172,000 are in our very first 3 months with no sign of slowing down at all. So again, congratulations, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.
So guys, you heard it right from the owner of Newbies on Fire. 3 months and they have 11,000 members in this program, and $172,000 have been paid out in commissions. That's insane. Okay, so you definitely want to get started with us in it. If you can see here, here's the courses. I'm logged into the back office, and here's all my courses. That's what you will see. You'll just go in your back office when you log in, and you go back here and you click on courses, and you will see all your courses. You have access to them. All you have to do is hit continue, click continue, and you get access to all the training. Okay, and this you can actually take with you on the road. Okay, as long as you have access to Wi-Fi, you can do your business. Okay, so with a laptop or smartphone, just log in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you can listen, get all your trainings. You take what you learn in your trainings, because you do want to do this. You purchasing courses, so you want to be educated. Take what you learn, implement them, and then what you do is you follow the training. You share your capture pages. You can send traffic. And when people join with your link, that's how you get a commission. You get paid on referring people. You're a reseller. You can resell the courses and make money. Okay. Now, I put together, I had this actually for the other program that's shut down now. So I've basically redirected my domain, and I have this lovely postcard that I put together. I'm going to hide the domain because it's strictly for mailing. Okay. If you're interested in this, okay, you can see it. A nice glossy card, front and back. You can actually mail for this program. I had it set up for the 250 program, as you can see here. It's got my picture on it. Okay, and you can mail these cards out, guys. So it's lots of ways to do this. If you saw my video the other day, you saw where somebody actually also mailed me a payment for the Newbies on Fire. So it is an online program, but you can accept your payments any way you like. Okay, that's the good thing about it. You're a business owner now, so however you want to receive those payments, it's up to you. Whether it's Cash App, money orders in the mail, Zelle, however you want to do that, just specify it in your profile, and that's the simple way. But we show you how to do this. And of course, coming in at the higher level is going to benefit you the best. Because remember, the more income streams you have in the program, the more commissions you're going to make. Because if you're qualified at the elite level, and when your second sale passes up, that $500 comes up to you. The person that joins you, they're going to have to pass up their second and fourth sale. So I'm going to show you some numbers. Again, this is just an illustration. It's not a guarantee of income, but I just want to show you the income potential of this program, how you double your income. And I think I quoted you wrong before. I think I said $1,700 per elite member, but it's $1,850. So let me show you some numbers. Just, just an illustration, okay? The possibility. Check it out. Okay. You're going to receive the second and fourth pass up from each person at the elite level. That's why it's important to be an elite member. Okay, the $25 level, the $50 level, the $100, the $250, and the $500. When you multiply that times 2 on each level, that's $1,850 that you would be able to make the income potential on every person that joins you as an elite member. That's powerful, guys. So think about it. You don't need that many elite members to start making money. That's why people are making money very quickly with the program. Okay? That's powerful. Check it out. Watch this and you'll see what I'm talking about. You may have to pause this video, go back, do the numbers yourself. Okay? So if you're serious about making money online, this is a perfect way to do it. Okay, because you're going to do the same effort for a $25 level. So with that being said, I'm going to put the link below. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. I look forward to working with you. I'll see you guys on the inside. You guys have a blessed day.